Okay, today we're in Lake City, south of Houston. They got a Cracker Barrel. We're gonna check out the store. Alright, so we are in the store at Cracker Barrel. They got some summer fun stuff here, if you like summer. It's hot as heck down here though. Giant flamingo, but this is what we came for. And this is what I was talking about, a Christmas tree with Halloween stuff. I got an extra one. I was thinking of doing this again. It's the Raven. Oh, look at this guy. Dude, that tree's $149. And the ornaments are sold separately. This tree, guys. This tree right here, all 4 feet of it, maybe 3 feet. Alright, go to Walmart, get yourself a tree. The ornaments are cool. This will give you an idea of what you can do. Let's go to Michael's. I don't think Hobby Lobby will have any of that. They do have this guy. What are the blow old ones? Oh, look. Oh, no, that's a good deal. I'm gonna get this. Okay, some stuff's pretty good. Some stuff not so good. There's a blown old cat. I haven't seen these. These are the cool ones. Look at that, guys. Alright. Okay. Well, I got this dragon lamp post. Looks really neat. I have a little dancing broom again. Truck. Oh, what the hell was this? I know something popped out of there. Come on. Got this guy. I'm getting this really good deal. What is this? That's the house. Huh. Trying to work my way in here. It's pretty crowded today, guys. Oh, there's pumpkin. Lamp post. Lots of candles. Oh, fun at Cracker Barrel. The broomstick I've seen here for a few years. Oh look, those are pumpkins. Let me get some of those too. Ooh. Look at that. Almost like Harry Potter land. How does it do that? So it has little bats flying in it. Yeah. Maybe I can get a better view this time. Look at this. These aren't bad prices. Day of the Dead. There you go. Salt and pepper holder. $10. Oh, you Edgar Allan Poe fans? That.
A lot of videos and stuff.
Alright, so look at this, guys. There's some really cool stuff here. I like it. I like that little guy. Fabulous. I like to think I'm pretty fabulous myself. Oh, I love peanuts. A lot of great pumpkin stuff. Oh, look. There's my dog. Scooby-Doo. I'm gonna get that. Salt pepper shaker. And this is like everywhere. You can't avoid Nightmare Before Christmas. Alright, so that's some Halloween stuff. Let's see what else they got here. What do they have? Oh, look. Is there squeezable? Oh, that's pretty neat. Oh, Rainbow Bright. Wow. My daughter would love that. Okay. There's a problem here because I collect salt and pepper shakers. I collect all kinds of stuff. But the prices aren't bad. Just a little weasel ball. It just rolls around chasing the thing. Alright, so if you want to get on your friends' nerves, kids' nerves, anybody, buy them one of these things. These batteries never die, they'll never shut up. You should put those in electric vehicles, whatever battery they got on that thing. It never dies. I had one my cousin got me. I had to put it under a couch, under a pillow, all kinds of stuff, just so I wouldn't hear it. And I found it like a month later or something, the thing was still going off. It's like you have to feed it, like it says it's hungry. But these little blow balls here. These are cool. I don't know where I'd use it, but maybe. That looks cool. Oh, look, I don't like Crocs, but I mean, I don't know, they're just goofy to me, but these look neat. I know a lot of people out there wear them. I hear they're comfortable, but I can't do it. I feel like they just fly off if I wear them. Oh, there's my favorite guy right there, Woodstock. Oh, look, 25% off this stuff. Look at that. We gotta get into Cracker Barrel if you want to get some of this stuff on sale. They always have neat stuff. I got a lot of stuff in my house from here. Oh, there's our checker game. Oh, whoa, they do have a Rainbow Bright. I was just thinking, I haven't seen one of these in forever. I remember those commercials. I don't know if it had a cartoon. I kind of believe it did. Look at this. Man, I like classic games. I don't know about the Atari ones. I was just telling my son how sometimes we'd find games in the trash, man. That's how bad they were. Look at that. 25% off on that. Well, could be me and my wife hanging out. Okay, I'm sorry, man. Okay, here's my wife. She found some cool stuff here too.
Yeah.
And these are $1, you said?
Yeah, they're 99
Oh, they have
cents.
Frankenstein.
I can't really move much,
That little
but yeah,
Frankenstein.
I might get a couple just.
There's our puppies. That's how we felt this morning. Was that a brain?
Yeah.
Little brain in there.
Well,
Hair
brain
lice salt.
and hair lice salt.
That's cool, Mama.
I know. I'm gonna-
Okay, so they have some goodies down here too. Oh, there's a giant pumpkin thing. And oh, here's a little brain she found. It's funny. This is $40. Little animated Grim Reaper. Trying to get a little better look here now that we got a little room to work with. It's so crowded in here, guys.
Design. Design.
I really like this guy. Got a little here. I do like this. This is the craziest one to me. Neat. What in the world? King Dork. King Dork dog. We got some thick old glasses, don't you, buddy? There's that. We have all kinds of stuff in here, guys. Y'all just need to stop in. They change it a lot. Seasonally, holidays, things like that. So it's always good to stop back into your Cracker Barrel. I haven't been here in a few weeks. Oh, wow. Look at that. Look at these guys. Little beachy yard gnome salt and pepper shakers. Man, I'm gonna be in trouble here. Little hedgehogs, groundhogs, whatever they are. Hedgehog.
Cracker Barrel would now like to welcome Katie Hall, party of 6.
Cracker Barrel, man. They got some really cool Halloween stuff. I didn't even see this the first time. What? He was ringing the bell. Got everything. It's kind of just hidden here in the corner. It's really neat, guys. I do like this. Alrighty. That looks cool, man. Oh yeah, that's a blow mold. I'm gonna come when that's on sale. I do like this stuff. They got Chew in here, knee high. Shirley Temple. Let's see what's up there. You have a lot of double cola. That might be good. That one. I like this bottle. That looks neat. I need to get some of this. I heard this was the worst. I do love these Scooby-Doo. Oh, this is cool, man, for your pool. Yeah, it's a little floaty. Alright, then they got, I guess, Halloween stuff for kids, babies. Oh, cool. Oh wow, Eva would like this. Look at that. Oh, look at this one. That's awesome. That is beautiful. I love that. There is a place, I know the Houston Zoo has some bald eagles, but man, the Dollywood, they got a whole bunch of bald eagles in Dollywood. I had this guy at the house, actually at our store. Now he's at the house. Oh, like that guy. All right, so that's gonna do it for the Cracker Barrel gift shop today. We're gonna walk around. We were gonna eat, but my wife wants lunch. It's still breakfast, so we're gonna go find something, guys. Thanks for joining us in this video. Don't mind the hair. I just woke up like this, so we'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, tell your friends, yell it from the rooftops, everything you gotta do. We'll see you in the next one, guys. Thank you.